Hi, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 126 link library error. So here we go. Thank you for answer.microsoft.com to provide this article, and thank you for a user to provide the method how to fix this. There are two solutions here. The first method, you can restart the Windows module installer service. You can try to press Windows key and R, type service MSC. Let's try Windows key and R and try to run service.msc. Click OK. Now the service will pop up, so you can try to search Windows module installer here, Windows modules installer. So you can right click and properties. Here you can try to stop. I already stopped it now. So after you stop it, then start the service. So you can restart the service, then restart the computer and check if the issue get resolved. And also you can run a system file checker to scan and check like missing file or corrupt file on your system. You can run cmd, command prompt run as administrator. Here you can write the sfc scan. So here sfc hashtag scan now and hit enter to beginning the system scan. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.